Inshallah, in this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress website with free domain and hosting step by step. It's beginner friendly. We will use WordPress plus WooCommerce and it's totally free. Let's go. At first, we go pantheon.io. Then click this profile icon. And now, if you want to create your website by email, click on logging in with email, and also you can continue with Google. Then select your email, click continue. Now create a profile here. Fill up this form, your first name, last name and your country. Then agree with Pantheon's terms and service. Click continue. Create new site. Now choose our CMS. It's WordPress or Drupal. I want to WordPress. Now select WordPress. Now input here your site name. Must be available your site name. In here you can choose your region. This is about where your website will be hosted physically, especially the data center location. Pantheon offers different hosting region like United States, Europe, Australia, Canada. If most of your website visitor from the USA, then choosing the USA region makes your site load faster for them. For UK clients, choose Europe, usually closest. For Australia clients, Australia. Then click on continue. Now our website development has started. Please wait few minutes. Now visit our Pantheon dashboard. Then click Site Admin. Continue. Select language. Then continue. Now here input your site title, username and password. Also your email. Then click on Install WordPress. If you want to save your password or never, then log in your WordPress website. Then login. This is our WordPress website dashboard. Now let's install the plugin that runs our website as a WooCommerce shop. Go to plugins, add plugin and search here WooCommerce. Now install. Then active. Click on setup my store. Continue. Now give your site name, what type of products or service do you want to sell, where is your store located, your emails. Then continue. Click on continue. Continue. Now we design our website as a shop within few clicks without manually add products. Let's go to plugin, add plugin. Search for starter template here. Install and active. Click on starter template. Click on build with template. Select Elementor. We found out free theme and select. Now continue. Then fill up this form. Then understand privacy policy and click submit. Now building our website with our e-commerce theme. Just wait few minutes. Now congratulations, ready our website. Click on view our website and boom, our full e-commerce website is ready. We see a beautiful online shop with products, everything done.